Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to connect the Skydroid C11 gimbal camera to the Skydroid G16 remote controller. This video is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the hardware. How to display and control the camera. What products are used in this test? The products used in this test include Skydroid G16 remote controller, Skydroid C11 gimbal camera, Skydroid GR01 receiver. Battery. The cables and adapters used are C11 Ethernet power cable, Skydroid GR01 receiver power cable, XT60 to JST 1.25 adapter cable. How to connect the hardware. Use the C11 Ethernet power cable and connect the GH 1.25 7-pin connector to the POW plus LAN port on the C11 gimbal camera. Then connect the GH 1.25 4-pin connector from the same cable to the LAN port on the Skydroid GR01 receiver. After all wiring is completed, power on the Skydroid GR01 receiver first, and then connect power to the C11 gimbal camera. How to display and control the camera. Turn on the remote controller and open the gimbal FPV application. If no video feed appears after entering the application, tap the camera switch icon in the upper right corner and select the C11 camera. The live video feed will then be displayed in FPV mode. The first 4 icons are crosshair, reverse guideline, floating window, parameter settings. Let's take a look at the parameter settings menu. Gimbal control, AI tracking, and 3 different control methods are available, and multiple control methods can be enabled simultaneously. However, please note that gesture control cannot be used when AI tracking is enabled. Gimbal calibration. Calibrates the gimbal operating temperature to prevent abnormal operation caused by excessive differences between ambient temperature and the IMU working temperature. Gimbal fine-tuning. The gimbal has already been calibrated and fine-tuned at the factory. Unless the gimbal experiences performance issues, do not use this function. Working mode. Select whether the gimbal is installed in upright mount mode, inverted mount mode, gimbal speed. Adjust the gimbal movement speed. Virtual joystick control. The virtual joystick can be used to control gimbal yaw and pitch. Right side buttons. The 5 buttons on the right side are left side buttons. The 3 buttons on the left side are tap the System Settings button in the upper left corner. Available options include Video Stream Address, Video Stream Switch, Hardware Decoding, RTSP over TCP, IP Configuration, Encoding Settings, Firmware Upgrade, Version Information, Telemetry and Video Bitrate Display. Encoding Settings. We click Encoding Settings where you can configure image flip, view the camera firmware version, enable or disable OSD display, check the frame rate, view the GOP settings and modify the video bitrate. Return to the main settings page and copy the RTSP address of the C11 gimbal camera. Open Q Ground Control. Enter the Application Settings page and switch to the Video Settings tab. Set the video source to RTSP video stream. Paste the copied RTSP address into the corresponding field. And return to the main flight interface to view the real-time video feed from the C11. Additional note: if the Skydroid FPV application remains running in the background, the C11 gimbal camera can be controlled directly through the remote controller channels within QGC. This concludes the Skydroid C11 connection tutorial with the Skydroid G16. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you'd like to learn about, don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.